This video covers the costs of working with a lawyer to help with operating agreements. Limited liability companies use these agreements to outline how the company is managed, who has ownership, and how it is structured. We will help you understand costs associated with drafting and reviewing operating agreements so that you can understand fair market pricing to help you budget. We will go over 1. Factors that impact fees. 2. Different ways lawyers charge clients. 3. Real pricing data from Contracts Counsel's marketplace. The pricing data we will review will cover the costs to 1. Draft an operating agreement. 2. Review an operating agreement. 3. Hourly rates for business lawyers. Now, let's get started. Factors that impact fees. When it comes to operating agreements, the fees charged by lawyers can vary depending on several factors. These factors include services required. Drafting, reviewing, or negotiating an operating agreement have different fees. Location of the LLC. Depending on where your LLC is located, lawyers may charge different rates based on the consumer demand. Complexity of the terms. Depending on how complex the terms are, it may increase or decrease the time a lawyer needs to complete the project. For example, if the LLC wants to create a complicated ownership structure, it may take the lawyer more time to draft the operating agreement. Length of the agreement. For operating agreement reviews, an agreement that is 64 pages will require more time than a simple agreement that is 10 pages long. Different fee structures. For operating agreements, lawyers will charge clients in a variety of ways, and the fee structure is typically determined by the services required. The types of fee structures lawyers charge are flat fee rates for well-defined projects, like drafting an operating agreement for a single-member LLC. Lawyers may choose to offer flat fee rates, which gives clients predictability in total costs. Hourly rates. For projects that have uncertainty in the amount of time required to complete the work, lawyers will often charge on an hourly basis, billing the client the final number of hours spent on the project. An example of this may be drafting an agreement for a multi-member LLC with complicated profit and loss terms. Retainers. Some lawyers may require clients pay a retainer fee, which is a fixed amount paid upfront by the client the lawyer will bill time against. Retainers may be used in negotiations between LLC members, where the amount of time needed by the lawyer is unknown until the terms are agreed upon by the parties. Pricing data. Now, let's discuss pricing data from Contracts Counsel's marketplace. Flat fee rates. The average fee to draft an operating agreement is $780 on a flat fee. The average fee to review an operating agreement is $370 on a flat fee. Note, these fees may vary based on the requirements of the project. Hourly rates. Business lawyers range from $150 to $450 per hour on the Contracts Counsel platform. Note, this may be impacted on where the lawyer is located. If you want to understand operating agreement pricing in your state, please find a link in the description to review all state-specific pricing. In conclusion, the cost of hiring a lawyer to help with an operating agreement can vary, and it is always recommended to get multiple quotes to compare to make sure you are getting a good deal. If you want to get multiple quotes from vetted business lawyers, please visit www.contractscounsel.com and post a project. You can also find a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.